If your food is not tasting as good home cooked as it does out at a restaurant, it's probably because you're missing something as simple as a delicious sauce recipe. I'm going to walk you through a really simple one to start with. This is my creamy parsley sauce, and at the end of this video, I'll give you so many different ways that you can use this sauce, from pasta to vegetables, potatoes, and steak dishes. So let's get to it. The sauce comes together super fast, so you should get started on whatever ingredient you want to put it on first. Here I roasted some potatoes in the oven, which is a really simple choice. So to start, I took a small saucepan and heated it to medium-low heat, and I melted some butter with garlic salt. Whisk in some flour for about 5 minutes and stir it regularly as you go. Turn up the burner to medium, and then you want to quickly whisk in heavy cream, stir it a few times, and then quickly whisk in some milk. Continue to stir the creamy mixture as you bring it to a very light simmer, and then turn off the heat. Whisk in some dry mustard, white pepper, fresh parsley, lemon juice, and lemon zest. This really comes together so quickly, you can put it on anything. Serve it on the side of steaks, on roasted potatoes like you saw, on carrots, and on chicken, and even pasta dishes. Find recipes at Sip Bite Go.